Here's what you need to know about Desk.com before making a decision, because understanding the pros and cons could save you from a costly mistake and help you choose the best tool for your needs. First, Desk.com is a cloud based help desk software designed for small to medium sized businesses. It streamlines customer support with ticket management, automation, and multi channel support. While it's user friendly, it may lack some of the advanced features found in competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Next thing, pricing. Desk.com offers tiered pricing plans, which are affordable for small teams. However, it can get expensive as your team grows. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't provide unlimited agent plans, which could make it less cost effective for larger teams. The third thing, integrations. Desk.com works well with Salesforce since it's part of the Salesforce ecosystem. If your business already uses Salesforce, this integration can be seamless and powerful. But if you rely on other tools like HubSpot or Shopify, you might find competitors offering a broader range of integrations. Fourth, automation features. Desk.com includes basic automation options for ticket routing and responses, which can save time. But if you're looking for advanced workflow customization, tools like Freshdesk or Help Scout may offer more flexibility. Next thing, multi-channel support. Desk.com supports email, chat, and social media, making it versatile for businesses with diverse customer bases. That said, competitors like Zendesk tend to provide more robust features for handling live chat and phone support. Another thing to consider is scalability. While Desk.com works well for small businesses, it might not scale as effectively as Zendesk or Salesforce Service Cloud for larger teams or enterprises with complex needs. The seventh thing is reporting and analytics. Desk.com offers basic analytics, which can help you track key metrics like response times and ticket resolution. However, it falls short when compared to competitors with more detailed reporting and customizable dashboards. Next, ease of use. Desk.com is generally easy to navigate, making it a good choice for teams new to help desk software. But if you need more in-depth training resources, platforms like Zendesk provide extensive guides and tutorials. Ninth, customization. Desk.com offers some customization options for branding and workflows, but it's limited compared to competitors that let you build highly tailored solutions to match your business processes. Next thing, mobile functionality. Desk.com has a mobile app, but its features are basic. If mobile support is crucial for your team, Freshdesk's mobile app offers more robust capabilities. The 11th thing, customer support. Desk.com provides solid customer support, but keep in mind that its resources are primarily geared towards businesses already familiar with Salesforce products. Other platforms might offer more beginner-friendly support options. Finally, Desk.com is no longer actively developed. Salesforce retired Desk.com and transitioned users to Service Cloud Essentials, which could mean fewer updates and innovations compared to competitors. Overall, Desk.com, or its successor, Service Cloud Essentials, can be a solid choice if you're already part of the Salesforce ecosystem and don't need advanced features. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, modern, and flexible solution, we recommend checking out our top-rated alternative. You can try it for free and see how it works for your team.